Didn't get very far on our walk before we stopped for a coffee. But how can you not stop for coffee here? I mean, look at that view.
Not me. I'll show you the view. You don't want to see me. Look.
We've got vultures in the background up there.
Love this little village. It's so sweet. It's very medieval as well. Just beautiful.
Is this a street? I'm not sure if it's a street or not. Let's have a look. Today we've decided to walk to Asque, which is that way. And that involves us walking down to the end of the walk we did 2 days ago through the gorge, the beautiful walk. But instead of going through the gorge to the left, we're going to go right, and that will take us to Asque. Such a great place for a viewing platform down there. Wow, view along the whole valley. You can see the people there walking along the platforms that have been built into the side of the gorge.
I love that walk. You have to do that walk. Obviously that's one of the previous YouTube videos.
Climbing out of the valley now. The crowds have gone, thankfully. So we're on the other side of the gorge now to everybody else, basically.
Gorgeous! Gorge. Get it.
Nice shot there of Alcazar in the background with the viewing platform.
Del Somontano. Oh, 10,000 steps to this point.
So, we're almost there. You are here. You can walk down to there, which is supposed to be quite nice, but then you have to walk back.
We have arrived in Asque.
Let's hope there's a coffee shop here.
I think it's going to be quite a sleepy town. I don't think there's going to be too much around.
Looks a bit shut, doesn't it? Is it shut? Alcazar, over there. We've still got another 6k to walk to get back there. Interest approaching. I wonder what this is. Oh, and it's starting to rain. Not.
Or we can hide in there if it rains.
Here comes the rain.
It smells weird here.
The vultures are in the sky, looking for the next meal.
For the bast.
What do they know that we don't know?
Yeah.
It's basically saying if the river looks like this, you can go across. If it looks like this, you can't go across. And it looks like this, so I think we're safe. But it looks interesting. If there's a storm, we need to get out quick. Been walking along this dried up riverbed for about 15 minutes now. So interesting, but it's kind of the wrong way. So it's difficult to turn back, but we're going to have to turn back soon. All the stones are trapped in there. I think people have done that, or is it just the river that's pushed them into there? Back at the point where we deviated, we came down there and then saw the riverbed, decided to see what was up there. Walked for about 15 minutes, quite interesting. But now, Alcazar, 45 minutes. It's only half the bridge. Oh, it's a full bridge. This is absolutely beautiful.
Great.
The end of the walk's turned out to be much better than the start of the walk.
Definitely. Superb.
Climbing back out of the gorge now. Tough going. It's warm. The views are still great though. Wow. This looks strange. I thought we were nearly back, but it says Alquezar 5.3 kilometres and Asque 3.2. This is only there. You can see down there the cave we went into on the first day. This is a climb and a half to get out of here.
Oh gosh. Ooh.
You can see over there the hut we found about, what, an hour ago, hour and a half. So actually not travelled that far in terms of how the crow flies, but
Sweat dripping down my back.
in terms of the effort and time, it's been huge.
Gosh.
And it started raining, but actually we don't care too much because it's so hot. So it's nice to cool us down. Well, Michelle cares because doesn't want to get her hair wet.
I only washed it.
There it is. Well, that's the top. Another view of Alcazar. I think we've seen it from every angle now. So what's special about this place? Why did we come here?
Oh, let's just have a look.
Mira.
Will it be upside down?
No, I'll turn it and edit.
Mira.
Will that be upside down?
And this is the start of the famous, what's the name of the walk, Michelle?
Pasarelas del Vero.
Very good.
Probably said it wrong.
So that's why everybody walking down here has got the white hats on.